In introduction, Sweetest Bakery specializes in a variety of cake designs such as sheet cakes, layer cakes, wedding cakes, and tile cakes. Not just that, Sweetest Bakery also can provide a wide range of cupcake or bread designs according to the request of our customer who ask for the special design from us. Other than that, we provide service for special occasions such as weddings, anniversaries, birthday parties, and business networking events. In this introduction, we also put target market, which is our target market is everyone who loves pastry, and of course to the businesses such as restaurants, grocery stores, specialty shops, and even cafes. And lastly, the Sweetest Bakery hire people who are not only can operate the company, but also effectively communicate the brand customers. And we will also make sure that our employees are trained on how to make the pastry and cakes to look excellent, in line with the Sweetest Bakery standards. Company background. For company background, the name of company is Sweetest Bakery, and type of business is partnership. And we start the bakery is from home. Start bakery at home. Number of employees is 7 people, and name of the business is bakery. So our telephone number is 010-8830-748. Our fax number is 0302029191, and our email is sweetestbakery.hq@gmail.com. Product or service offer. The first service that we offer to customer is trade deliveries, which means here the trade deliveries that we offer to customer is we will probably aim to deliver to any retail customers shortly after they open, so that they can sell fresh bakery goods all day long. The second is the product we offer to customer are prepared from scratch. The meaning of prepared from scratch to our business we use our own receipts, and we can establish a reputation for our own ranges. We have to wake up in the early morning in order to prepare or bake all the goods. In this matter, we use a lot of premises to store what have we buy the raw materials. We have to store flour and other ingredients that we buy in bulk, and we have to undertake all the...
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sweetest binti Johari. My matric number 820A1781. Today I want to present part of design of goods and product. Product or good designs is a combination of manufacturing capabilities with product and business knowledge to convert ideas into physical and usable objects. Service design is also the coordination and mix of people, communication, and material component to create quality service. After we don't know what the good and service design, I will present what the design of good and service in our bakery. Our bakery business, Sweetest Bakery, is produce dessert such as biscuit, bread, cake, and others. Therefore, in designing this business product, we will make a study first to know the dessert or pastry that are very popular with today's customer. This is because today have a lot of delicious and creative recipe have produced with the competitors today. After doing a bit research, we have produced and manufactured a wide variety of interesting and delicious products with many types of loaf and taste. Products such as cheesecake, bread roll, birthday cake, wedding cake, and cake we decorate with popular children cartoon like Frozen, Bobo Boy, Upi Ipin, and others. Our product also suitable for all people because our product some product have less sugar, and this is also suitable for all customers who take care their self and their health. We have also produced various types of cake that are attractive, elegant, and unique, made by the handwork of our skilled workers. And this is to provide the best and train to our customers who have ordered them and are loyal to our business. Finally, the design of the product in this bakery is very interesting, delicious, and the product is also very fresh because we made in the store and we serve to customers who come to the store. Next, I will present managing quality. Managing quality is the same with quality management. Quality management is the act of overseeing all activities and tasks that must be accomplished to maintain a desired level of excellence. It is also referred as to total quality management or TQM. In this TQM have 7 concepts of TQM and it is continuous improvement, Six Sigma, employee empowerment, benchmarking, just in time or JIT, Taguchi concept, and knowledge of TQM tools. In our study, we use some of 7 concepts of TQM to show some tools we use to managing quality our bakery. One of them is just in time or JIT. JIT is an inventory management method in which goods are retrieved from a supplier only when they are needed. For example, in our bakery business, JIT can help us minimize stock or raw materials so that we can use only fresh ingredients like foods and others to produce quality product in production activities or production such cake and bread, biscuit and other pastry. Another one concept in TQM, we use employee empowerment. Employee empowerment, this is getting employees involved in product and process improvement, and it is also include having a voice in helping to create and manage new system and tactic and running smaller department with less oversight from higher level and management. In helping our employee, we should use several techniques such as building communication network, develop open supervisors, supporting shifting responsibilities to employees and others. This can help our employees to be more confident to handle quality products and process improvement with us. Therefore, in helping to produce efficient and good employee, our bakery also provides some effective training, knowing and learning how to manage conflict, building the trust of each staff or baker and others.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Mama Asri. My metric number is A20A1782. I would like to talk about process and capacity design at Sweetest Bakery. Sweetest Bakery process and capacity design are centered on product durability, quality and certifications customer that support the company strategy. This strategic decision area of the operation management focus on the maintaining process efficiency and adequate capacity to fulfill market demand. At Sweetest Bakery, the productions focus on the durability quality of the cakes from fast molting and customer satisfactions about the cakes.
What is process strategy? Process strategy is the pattern of decision made in a managing process so that will achieve their competitive priorities. Hence, the process strategy used by the Sweetest Bakery company is a product focus that focus on the cake production. The cake production in Sweetest Bakery has the process design refers to the organizations and configurations of the food and chemical process. Manufacturing methods need to transform or convert raw material into finished products.
Next, I will explain about process and capacity design is the process of developing a method for producing a specific quantity or volume of food products such as baked goods. Process design has made use of units operation. The units operation at the Sweetest Bakery begins with the productions and conceptions and continues until it is a manufacture. Then, the design process in the Sweet Bakeries had a process flow sheeting for required production, including baking, process works flow diagrams for cakes productions.
Based on the image, this is a baking operation and resource requirement. Start with raw materials. For the first step, the baking process workflow starts with a raw material received from suppliers such as sugar, egg, flour, others for cakes making ingredients. Sweetest Bakery company purchased a raw material for making cakes and break doughs from supplier in a large quantity to facilitate the production operation of Sweet Bakery's products, and then the raw material will be stored at the room temperature and carefully cared for so that no pests come to it. Next, I will explain about production planning, which manages and calculates the process of the receiving and the keeping stock safely. For example, when the ingredients for a cake arrive, a Sweetest Bakery employee, which is admin, will manage the total stock data carried by the suppliers. They will plan and administrate the incoming stock of the raw material to ensure that, according to the set numbers of the procedures, 500 pieces of bread and 200 cakes are enough. Thirdly is kneading process is the process of making bread and the dough that involve mixing ingredient and solidifying the final product such as bread and cakes. The finished and the fluffy dough will be transported to the baking stations to be baked into cakes and breads. Fourthly is a burning station. After the kneading process, the finished dough will be formed into the cakes, breads and the putting in the oven to bake according to the time. Next, we will go through the decorating part. After that, the transformation from the dough into a cake and a bread is taken from a hot oven and let cool before being decorated, and the flavor like chocolate, strawberry, mango and so on will be added as a topping flavor cakes. Lastly, the workflow of the baking process is delivery to customer. The Sweetest Bakery use transportations to delivery production of sweet bakery products to retailer and the market. In addition, deliveries are made by truck and each package of cakes and bread is putting in a box and sealed neatly with a bubble wrap before arriving at the retailer. Importance of the location is for long-term result because business operations take a long time to see development in the business. This is the factors of the location strategy. First, the selections of a strategic location because have a good environment, competition, and available facility that afford spend determining optimal facility location is a good investment. Community and location choice are two factors that influence decision making at the Sweetest Bakery. Second factors is the community's decision because the bakery suits the community taste. A community surrounded environment will create customer to come to the Sweetest Bakery store. For example, our business location at the KB Mall, Kota Baharu, Kelantan is a strategic shopping place located on the main road to Kota Baharu City Centre. Sweetest Bakery's near location to a residential area and the city's core make it a viable option for attracting customer. Third factor is site decision because the strategic and extensive site selections facilitates the Sweetest Bakery company to have a strong foothold. For example, the location of KB Mall, which has an area of 1 million square breadth in the large center on the east coast of the Peninsula, Malaysia. The large size of KB Malls provide convenience to the people of Kelantan to shop and meet their needs and wants. With this, Kelantan residents around KB Malls, Kota Baru can easily make a birthday cake for the celebration from the Sweetest Bakery shop without having to make it. Last factors is proximity to competitor clustering, driven by the resource such as nature, information, capital, talent found in the manufacturing and service industries. Even though the location of the Sweetest Bakery in the KB Mall, Kota Baru has a lot of competition, that is others bakery shop, but the facility to get a raw material and get focus on the people visiting is one of the location strategy factor chosen by Sweetest Bakery companies.
I would like to present layout strategy management. Okay, strategy management is geared toward a variety of goals such as increasing the use of space, equipment, and people. Okay, the correct layout strategies can help improve the flow of information, materials, or people. It will also increase employee morale and create a safer work environment. Note on that the process-oriented SIM is for the product of high grades with low volume, while the product-oriented SIM focus on the best personnel and the use of cake and bread machine in continuous reproduction in our bakery. Sweetest Bakery, for example, has created a way for producing product in a correct and simple sequence. And then the lastly is Sweetest Bakery also arrange the position of the product nicely and more creatively to make sure that easy for customer to look, choose, and buy. Okay, the next one is inventory management. Sweetest Bakery inventory management strategy used to manage increasing and decreasing inventory in just-in-time (JIT). Okay, the JIT system hope to ensure that inventory is reduced, production batch and batch size are reduced, quality control complexity is reduced, and transparency and waste are minimized. Okay, it is based on three basic fundamental principles, which is waste elimination, continuous quality improvement, and participatory work culture. For example, Sweetest Bakery limits the daily production of cake and bread according to the established schedule. And lastly is Sweetest Bakery only produce 30 cakes and 200 pieces of bread with various flavor a day. From here we can see that we can avoid from wastage.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nawajah binti Muhammad Maimun. My metric number is A20A1795. Today I would like to present a scheduling. Scheduling, a method in which work is specified or assigned to a resource to complete the work. Schedulers, people who perform activity scheduling to achieve service quality targets. Three benefits when Sweet Bakery schedulers will. First, by scheduling, labor costs can be reduced. 2. Scheduling can increase staff excitement. 3. Scheduling can provide a better customer experience. Below is the scheduling used by Sweet Bakery. Sweet Bakery open Monday to Sunday and is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. The scheduler flow is considered the same from Monday to Sunday with the same hour and the same employees. Maintenance activities involved in maintaining a machine or equipment in working condition to ensure efficiency is maintained and its life is increased. Maintenance not only refer to repairing damaged or destroyed equipment, but is a management to ensure that machine and equipment operated at high capacity and produce high quality product at low cost. Two types of maintenance that can help to prevent bad maintenance, namely preventive maintenance and damage maintenance. Sweet Bakery has used this damage maintenance because the process is so simple and easy to understand that help the owner save a lot of time to make sure all the equipment is in good condition.
Conclusion. In this conclusion part, the management of Sweetest Bakeries business operation is based on 10 strategic decisions implemented. But we use 8 strategy only, which designs of goods and service, managing quality, process and capacity designs, location strategy, layout strategy, inventory management, scheduling and maintenance. In a nutshell, this subject helps us to identify the process and system that create value in any company. In addition, this business can be implemented in long term because many people, our business will find the pastry, especially in a holiday, which will have a ceremony, and pastry are used as goodies.